guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khushbu, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you what's there in my bag. So without wasting any more time, let's just dig into this bag. Before starting, I want to mention this, that you will find so many random things in my bag because I dump anything and everything in my bag, and it's so spacious. And you can see how much I've dumped in this bag. So yeah, let's just get started. So I carry this black classic bag from Charles & Keith, and it's a double-sided bag. And it's very spacious. You can see how much I have dumped in this bag. It has a golden handle and golden chain, which looks very classy. Literally goes with everything. So I like to carry this on regular basis. So on this side I keep things which I need frequently, because this side is easy to open and this has like kind of a lock. So I keep things which I don't need very often. So I'll start with this side. So the first thing that I can see is my phone. I have two phones actually. One is I'm shooting from. Another one is sanitizer. I need to refill this. And then I have a card holder. I like to keep, and it's glittery. The little glitter. Don't forget to subscribe. I love this one, and I keep like my cards and some cash in this. I have very regular stuff on this side of my bag, and then I have my house keys. And look at my keychain. This reminds me of Snapchat ka ghost, and also it makes sound. So these are the things that I have this side of my bag, and it's empty. I really keep very regular stuff on this side. Now coming to this side of my bag, where you will find so much random stuff. So I'll start, actually there's so much to show, so I'll keep it down and show you everything. So the first thing that I can see is a comb, and I don't remember from where I got this one. I guess it's from Miniso, and it's a double-sided comb and it's very compact, so I carry this. And then I have tissues, like you need tissues. So the next I have is a perfume. This is from Zara. It's a roll-on perfume. It smells like rose. I love this one. And then I have wet wipes. 2 packs. These are the wipes for face, and these are for hands. These are hand sanitizing wipes, and in this situation you need these. So the next I can see is a lip balm from Vaseline, which I don't use because I don't like the smell of this one. I like the rosy lips one, the pink color, but I really don't like this one. This is the aloe vera flavor, and it smells very weird, and just I don't like using this, and I should throw this out. Then I have lipstick and mascara. Oh, I don't even know why I keep these in my bag. So these are like a travel lipstick and mascara. They come in like a sachet. I got this from Thailand last year, and it's been like 1.5 years. I have never used these, and I don't know why I keep these. Wait, I'll show you what exactly this is. This is like a lipstick in a sachet. सूख गई है, I guess. Yeah, it's dried. No, there is. It's a very nice shade. I don't know why I don't use this. थोड़ा सा dry हो गया है, but I can work with this one. So the next is the mascara. I don't know if I'll use it or not, but I'll show you how it looks like. I cannot even open. I don't think I'll use this because I got this one like a really long time ago, like 1.5 year. So I don't think I'll use this mascara, but definitely I'll try that lipstick. मेरे बैग खजाना है. Oh, there are two more lipsticks, and actually I know I keep these lipsticks in my bag, so I really cannot go out without carrying nude lipstick. Like, I carry at least one lipstick with me. So this one is from Nykaa in the shade Bombay. It's one of my favorite, and the other one is from MAC, and it's their Meher shade. So one is pinky nude and other one is coral nude. I'll show you. This is Meher, and this is Bombay. So this one is kind of a coralish and this is pinkish. Meher looks thoda mauvey on camera, but it looks different on your lips, and I carry at least one nude lipstick with me. So the next I have is kajal. This is from Maybelline Gigi Hadid kajal. Gigi Hadid. It's a very good kajal, and I don't think you get this now because it was a limited edition. I don't think you will get this anyway. So the next I have is a perfume. Again, it's so tiny and so pretty, so cute. ढक्कन उड़ गया. So it's kind of this. It's so pretty and cute, very cute, very pretty. So tiny. I love tiny things. Like, I love minis actually. I love minis of everything, whether it may be perfume or it may be lipstick, makeup, anything. I love minis. So the next I have is this. Don't laugh at me. I'll show you what this is. So it's a glass, but I'll show you. So you get like 4 rings in this plastic ka, which you have to join like this and open it. So you get a glass. So I carry this glass with me because I drink in glass. So I carry this around, and you get like this thing so you can keep your glass wherever you're traveling or anything like that. So I keep this with me. और जब भी मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ ना, जो भी मेरे आजू बाजू में रहते हैं सब हंसते हैं. बट आई थिंक यू शुड हैव दिस इज़ अ मस्ट. यू शुड कैरी योर ओन ग्लास अराउंड बिकॉज आई डोंट नो वाई. यू शुड. So the next I have are some medicines. I don't even know I've kept medicines in this. So this one is a paracetamol, and this is one is for loose motions. I don't know why I keep loose motions ka goli in my bag. So another I have is a Saradon, and this is Divya Dhara from Patanjali. So this is a roll-on for headache, and Saradon is for headache. I cannot go without Saradon anywhere because I get really bad headaches, and like randomly it just start aching. So I keep like this Saradon or this roll-on with me all the time because I never know. कभी भी headache हो जाता है मुझे. The last I can see are some Tic Tacs and bobby pins. I have bangs, so I keep Tic Tacs and bobby pin. The last one I have is a rubber band to tie my hair, which I don't have. So this is all I had in my bag. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही सामान भर लिया था इसमें. Now it's all. So this was it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.